we're going to show you how to do a playback on your Sony WH XB900N headphones. We'll show you how to start the music player, move to the next song, go back to the previous song, as well as increase and decrease the volume. We will also show you how to take a call when there's an incoming call from your friends. So let's start out the app on our mobile phone. Next, let us turn on the headphones by pressing on the power button for 2 seconds. You can see that the headphones will be automatically connected to our app. Now on the headset, in order to start the playback on the right headphone, simply tap on it twice on the right headphone. You can see that the song has started playing. To stop it, simply tap on the right headphone twice. To go to the next song, you swipe to the right. To go back to the previous song, you swipe to the left. So let's start the playback. Next, to increase the volume, simply swipe upwards and hold it there. To lower the volume, swipe down and hold it there. So these are the simple gestures to use the playback on your Sony headphones. Let's pause the music. Next, we will show you how to answer a call and to hang up the call. So we're going to have an incoming call. You can see that it's an incoming call. To answer the call, simply tap on the right headphone twice. And the call is answered. When the call has ended, or to end the call, simply tap on the right headphone twice. And so this is how you use the controls on your Sony WH XB900N headphones.